Morning light softly gleams, coffee brews, dreams unfold. Moments warm like sunbeams, toast comes cold and bold. Kitchen hums simple tunes, quiet sighs morning greets. Restful hearts soft with June, start with tiny treats. Days begin with calm embrace, we find peace in this place. Simple joys and comfort grace our serene holiday space. Whistle of the kettle song fills the air tender sweet. Mornings where we can belong, holidays we repeat. The scent of coffee hugs the air, toast with butter, love share. Low down time, no need to care, moments small beyond compare. Silent smiles, hearts connect, sunrise painting the sky. Here with you, no need to check, holiday dreams fly high.